Hey, greetings. Performance Vacuum here, and we're going to show you how to change your modern day central vacuum or MD central vacuum bag. If you need True Seal bags, we have them for sale. Just give us a call. Our contact information is in the description of the video. Let me show you how to change this because it's super simple. So first, just pull your lid off. There's no latches or anything on an MD. Be careful when you set this lid down. You don't want to bend it. When you go to pull the bag off, I like to hold it like so and just work any dust or debris that could be hiding around the collar or off. Just going to pull this bag like so. And as you pull off, I like to just give it a good tap. Make sure there's no extra debris. If there is a lot of debris, something that can be done is that you can just simply pull a rag, wipe off the excess. And now there is a collar right here. As you see, there's a collar, and you're going to put this on and twist this on. And pull the bag off, and the bag is nice and clean. Now this step is optional. You can pull the bag out and just inspect it if you want and check the filter that goes below here. It should be cream colored. If your bag was clean and this is clean, that filter should be good. Those filters don't need to be changed very often. They're more of a precaution if your bag breaks, and a relic from when this used to use a paper bag system. Generally speaking, your central vac should fill its bag about every 6 months to a year, depending on the size house and how often you vacuum. Again, if you need these bags, there'll be a link below to where you can get these from us or Modern Day directly. Now, you get your new bag and you'll see printed on there, it says utility valve. That is this metal valve in front of the system. So I like to start off by putting the utility valve on, just like so. Then you'll notice the bag comes sealed on both sides. Only one side is going to be in use. As we can see, it's this side over here. This one is capped off. So we're going to unscrew that. Going to attach the bag like so. Just slip it over, straighten it out. Make sure your other cap, if it's open, is sealed off. You give it kind of a half twist, and it should be sealed flush on there. And when you fold the bag out, you'll notice it will just evenly sit on there. At this point, you're done. Grab the lid, put it on. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Performance Vacuum on YouTube for more central vacuum tips. Have yourself a fantastic day.